Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if we're truly alone? Well, scientists may have just taken a giant leap towards answering that very question. They've discovered a new exoplanet candidate, a super-Earth, that is incredibly exciting. And the best part, it's practically our next-door neighbor in cosmic terms. Just 18 light-years away, this new world is named GJ-51c, and it's about 3.8 times more massive than our own planet. But what really has astronomers buzzing is its location. It's orbiting right in the sweet spot of its star's habitable zone, often called the Goldilocks zone. This means it's not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to potentially exist on its surface. And as we know, where there's water, there could be life. Now, finding planets that might support life is a bit like a cosmic treasure hunt. Scientists have a checklist. First, is the planet rocky, like Earth? Since Earth is the only place we know for sure hosts life, this is a huge factor. Second, is it in that Goldilocks zone where liquid water can flow? GJ-251c appears to tick both of these boxes. Believe it or not, planets that meet both criteria are surprisingly rare among the thousands we've found so far. So, finding one this close to home is an absolute jackpot for researchers. The planet orbits a star called GJ-251, which is a red dwarf smaller and cooler than our Sun. Because the star is cooler, its habitable zone is much closer in. This actually makes planets like GJ-251c easier to detect because they have shorter orbital periods, allowing astronomers to gather data more quickly, interestingly. This star system was already known to have one planet, GJ-51b. But it's too close to the star to be habitable. Using over 20 years of data and new, high-resolution observations, a team of astronomers was studying the tiny wobbles of the star caused by its planet's gravity, and to their delight. They didn't just confirm the first planet, they found a second. Fainter signal the signature of GJ-51c, orbiting perfectly within the habitable zone. So, what do we know about this new super-Earth? Right now, not a whole lot. We know its mass because of the gravitational tug it has on its star, but we don't know its size or what its atmosphere is like. That's because it doesn't pass in front of its star from our point of view, which is one of the main ways we study exoplanet atmospheres. But don't be discouraged. This is where the really exciting part begins. Because GJ-2501 is so close, it's a prime candidate for something called direct imaging. This means that with the next generation of powerful telescopes, like the James Webb Space Telescope and others still to come, we might be able to take a picture of the planet itself. We are right on the cusp of technology that will allow us to directly observe these alien worlds. Imagine that being able to see the faint light from a planet 18 light-years away and analyze it to see if it has an atmosphere, clouds, or even oceans. We're tantalizingly close to being able to answer these questions. While we can't confirm life on GJ-51c just yet, it represents one of the most promising targets we have for future exploration. It's an exciting discovery that reminds us there is still so much more to learn about the universe around us. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you're as fascinated by space as I am, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until next time, keep looking up.